Welcome to Gentech, the most innovative technology in the commercial market. Important note: installation of all products must adhere to the manufacturer's guidelines, as well as comply with PCA, ASA/NZS 3500 standards, and any other relevant regulatory provision. If you are unsure, refer to the installation instructions included in the QR code. Water quality. Flush your lines before installing any Gentech products, and if an inline strainer is supplied, must be installed to ensure product is free of debris. Please follow the steps to make your installation quick and simple. Carefully inspect the contents of the box to ensure that all components are included. Place the flange in position. Attach both the hoses in the matching inlet, hot and cold. Screw in the two threaded studs. Place rubber seal to the underside of the cover flange. Place both hoses in the tap hole one at a time. Place rubber and metal washer from underneath and screw on both lock nuts and tighten them using a tube spanner. Fit non-return valve adapter and then strainer to the brass adapter. Attach flexi hoses to water supply. Now we are ready to turn on the water supply and ensure no leaks evident. Activate to verify operation. Activate hot and cold lever to verify operation. Installation is now complete. If you are still experiencing problem, ensure to check out the troubleshooting provided in the user manual. If you are unsure and need assistance, then contact Gentech on +612 9319 4422 or email at info@gentechaustralia.com.au.